tell you, I'm about done with this year. Can we just not? There's this new strain of coronavirus apparently, and it's been found in pigs or swine, and it can cause uncontrollable diarrhea and vomiting. No, thank you. No, thank you. You know, I bet that would make people take it a little more seriously if that strain started spreading around and all of a sudden you see brown leaking from everybody's pants, okay? I think that then people would start taking it more seriously. But look, I'm afraid of throw up, all right? I'm afraid of vomit. I'm completely terrified of it. It's an actual fear of mine. So I would appreciate it if this does not spread. Let's read this. It says an emerging coronavirus strain that causes gastrointestinal illness in swine, and it's especially dangerous to baby pigs, could wreck the pork industry and has the potential to jump species and infect humans. Oh, please no. Please no. A UNC study has found. The study published this week in the Proceedings of the National Academy of the Sciences looked at a virus called swine acute diarrhea syndrome, or SARS-CoV. Oh my goodness, come on, man. That began to infect the swine's herds in China in 2016. So this has been around for a minute. What? Causing diarrhea and vomiting. It killed 90% of the pigs under 5 days old. Oh, poor piglets. Oh man. Duke reports first. Oh wait, why am I reading that? The virus, which has not been detected in the United States, is in the same family as SARS-CoV-2, which causes COVID-19. But viruses are thought to have emerged from bats. Last year, a group of 14 UNC Chapel Hill epidemiologists, immunologists, and microbiologists studied SARS-CoV to see if it could cross species and infect humans. Caitlin Edwards and Rachel Graham of UNC's Department of Epidemiology said that Thursday in the phone interview with the News and Observer that the team submitted its findings for a publication in early 2020 before the COVID-19 pandemic hit. But the swift spread of COVID-19 around the globe this year has emphasized the need for developing interventions for coronaviruses. Oh, you think? If the virus did occur in the U.S., the primary concern would be the swine industry, Graham said. But in experiments, the virus was able to adapt and use human liver. Come on, man. Come on. Can we have one W this year? Liver, gut, and airway cells in hosts. Oh, that just sounds horrible. We know it infects human cells, Graham said. The most likely way for the virus to move to humans would be through contact, such as between workers and animals at hog farms. China is the world's the world's largest producer, followed by the European Union and the United States. In this country, the industry is concentrated in the Midwest and eastern North Carolina, primarily Duplin, Sampson, Bladen, and Wayne counties. Bladen, excuse me. The industry is an economic engine in North Carolina and generating more than $10 billion in output, according to the report from the North Carolina State University. In reporting their findings, the team recommended continued surveillance in China for the spread of SARS-CoV. Man, China, you know what? Y'all need to I think that there needs to be like some global investigation into China, because this is ridiculous at this point. There is no way that this stuff should be spreading this easily and this for this long, and y'all are just not saying anything about it. That's a problem. That's a major problem. Let's see. China is monitoring for the virus among animals, Edwards said, because of the cost of the ongoing outbreak. But knowing that it could jump species means China also needs to monitor for spillover into humans. Please do, because I don't want to go through another year or 2 or 3 years of this, okay? Please. In terms of human illness, Edwards said, The Chinese need to be looking for anything that we haven't seen before, Graham added. The tricky part is we don't know what kinds of diseases would manifest if the virus crossed over to humans. While the virus causes gastrointestinal issues in swine, it might produce respiratory or other issues in people, he said. The team's research was funded by North Carolina Coronavirus Relief Fund, created by General Assembly, and blah, blah, blah. Okay, so yeah, this is... I'm tired of this mess. I'm honestly tired of viruses and sickness and it's just tiring. This whole year has just been exhausting. This election season has been exhausting. It's not even fun. It's just horrible. It feels horrible. But, I don't even know what to say to this. Like, it's too much. It's too much. I don't know why this seems to keep happening. I don't know what we can do to get a better control or preventative measures for these type of things. China, these wet markets, whatever we need to do in any country to keep for a global preventative measures for these things, because this cannot keep happening. If this is going to become a more frequent thing, then something is wrong. Somebody's messing around. We need to figure this out. So, yeah, what do you guys think about this? For sure, like, comment, subscribe, like, comment, subscribe, like, whenever do it, haven't do it, wherever do it, just do it. It's your boy Red X Black, and I'm out. Peace.